morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, but not here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'll get to that in a moment. But there is one little coincidence that kind of ties it in, just a little bit. Last night, yesterday afternoon, I prepared hearty chicken and veggie stew. It was good. It was really good. And because fall is definitely in the air, it actually rained last night. And there's more rain predicted throughout the week. Just little smatterings. It was good. Check out the cooking demo I did with the stew. The link is attached in the description and post. So yeah, it was good. Nice hearty meal, no pun intended. Tonight, the culinary expedition continues. Took a few days off. It's the end of the month. I have my self-imposed quota of this will make 15 countries for the month. We're going to Armenia. There's a little story behind this one, because I actually have one of the groups. One of the members in the group, Catherine, wants to know how I do this. I'm going to attempt the Armenian. Lahmajoun, which basically roughly translates. It's not really a translation, but they call this an Armenian pizza. But this has a shortcut. You all know how I am with baking bread, flatbreads, and all that. I'm bad at it. Very bad. I admit it. This goes back several decades to a young man who was going to Chico State here in California. And he was Armenian, or is Armenian. I think he's alive. And he was missing this particular dish. And one of his friends, who was also Armenian, says, "Hey, do you know the shortcut?" And he goes, "Shortcut?" Because, this has a flatbread, and it's got a lot of mince, a lot of a dice, a lot of, fine knife work, and so forth, blah, blah, blah. So he goes, there's ladies here in Northern California who have a shortcut for the Armenian pizza. And that is replacing and substituting flour tortillas for the flatbread. So that is what caught my eye with this Armenian recipe, because the rest of it is Armenian. So let's get to it. So I'm starting off with some ground beef. You can use ground lamb or a combination of. Kosher salt, black pepper. I'll be dicing up this half of this yellow onion. I'll be dicing up this half of yellow pepper, dicing up half of this red pepper. I'll be dicing up some tomatoes. I'm going to the market this morning for some more tomatoes. You can use canned diced as well. Garlic. There's a little bit of flour. There's a bunch of parsley. I'm actually going to pick up some fresh parsley as well. And there's dried mint, paprika. I'll be using Hungarian paprika and cayenne. And of course, the tortillas. So between my knife skills and the food processor, these veggies are going to get pummeled. But the recipe has a note in it, not a puree. And then we also get all of the liquid and moisture out of the vegetables. So, yeah. So on this Taco Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.